Oh wait, today we are making this food. So what the? Oh. All right. The first is we need a home oven. We can use an oven as stove. We can use.
What else do you need?
Welcome. So today is we're making ButterScotch mix. So what I'm gonna do is
We need
a home oven, but the oven and stove, cream 1/2 cups of the butter, add 2 beaten eggs, slowly white and mix it. 5 cubes delight ButterScotch. Mix until well blended. Put onto the grease. It is a baking pan. On a top with nuts. Bake for 25-30 minutes using butter heat only for 2 to 3 minutes. Oh, you didn't see me see. I'm gonna cut it. Oh well, I cut it. So I'm gonna put it right here.
yes.
Wow. We're gonna put it. And we need this.
Okay, let me open.
Oh, there. Fingers is cool. Use a wooden spoon. So you want to just mix?
Yes.
Yep. And no, I'm just gonna mix it. Just wait, okay? Just wait, okay?
Okay. Okay, I will put it na.
Wait.
Ayan. So you close the oven.
Now I'm gonna close it. I'm not gonna eat it. I'll be so can't.
Close it.
Wow.
Push.
Wow, that was a strong. Oh my God, we're gonna make it really for
20 minutes.
20 minutes until it's ready. Okay? So it looks like a solid liquid block. Now when I touch the pot, it's hot. Okay?
Yeah, so we can eat that later on.
Bye bye. Wow.